Let's delve into how to upload invoices using Docyt's Bill Pay module. Begin by navigating to the Expense section and selecting Bill Pay. Then, open the Invoice Queue. This is where all of your uploaded invoices will be displayed. There are 3 methods to add invoices. The first method is to forward them to your unique Docyt email ID. The second method allows you to drag and drop one or more invoices directly into the queue. The third method is to use the Add Invoice option located in the top right corner. For this demonstration, we will be uploading an invoice from the computer. You can see these options are repeated here. We will be selecting From Computer. Once the invoice has been uploaded, allow Docyt a few moments to process the file and extract all the necessary data. The upload status can be checked in the Notification tab. If it indicates processing, the system is still retrieving the data. When prompted, click the Notification tab again to refresh. Upon completion, your invoice will be visible with all the invoice data added. All the key information will be pre-filled. And that's it. Your invoice is now uploaded and ready for verification.